Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the meeting ID and passcode ready. Now open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your work or school account. Once logged in, click Join or Join with an ID and paste the meeting ID into the field. Make sure to enter the passcode when asked. Choose your camera and microphone settings, select speaker or headset, and toggle camera on or off. These first steps place you into the meeting flow and let Teams resolve permissions before you enter the lobby. Once you've entered the meeting ID and passcode, confirm whether you're joining as the organizer, a signed-in member, or a guest. This affects authentication prompts. If Teams asks, follow the multi-factor steps or sign-in challenge so your identity matches the meeting policy. After authentication, click Join. If the meeting uses a lobby, request admission and wait. Organizers will admit you. Make sure to set background effects and audio devices while waiting so you're ready the moment you're let in. After you're in, confirm audio and video are live by checking device settings and the audio meter. Switch to an alternative device if sound is low or intermittent. If connection fails, leave and rejoin with the same meeting ID. Sometimes a quick Teams restart clears transient network or credential issues. If you still can't enter, contact the organizer for a fresh invite or to be manually admitted. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.